We've just acquired this very rare and lovely looking Citroen Picasso. It's the exclusive. It's got seats that even massage you as you drive. It's got front and rear park distance control with camera. Immaculate, unblemished alloy wheels. Finished in gleaming red. It's the 7 seats. You can see the rear park distance control there. Got a huge boot if you don't use the 7 seats. Drives absolutely superb. Oops. Just open it up. I'll put one of the seats up so you can see what it's like with and without the seats. Very spacious indeed. It's got a panoramic roof. It's got privacy glass and the slides if you've got kids in the car. Electric windows and mirrors. It's a lovely comfortable driving position. 6-speed gearbox, massage settings, passenger as well. Just start the car up. Multifunction steering wheel, cruise control. It's got satellite navigation, reverse camera. That's up there. Bluetooth connectivity. Citroen multi-connect, full computer settings, lots of buttons. It's got a blind that comes across if you want. At DJH we offer full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.